Here I come with the second video on custom CSS. Today we will see how to use custom CSS. So this is the second video of my YouTube channel. So when we hover on this card, the size of the image will reduce and a pop-up text is shown, and the background of this group is also changed. So this is due to the custom CSS. We use transitions and animations. So if I hover again, it will show a bounce effect. So now we'll see how to make this effect. So this is our bubble page, as you can see. So we will simply take a group to make the card, and now we will change its properties. We will make it 6, and it is about 140, and minimum. So it is also fit high to come. So then we will go to the center of the page, give it some margin, and we will also use some padding of 10 to each side. Then we can also change its background color, any color. I just take that color for round that will make it. And so then we will take an image. So for image we will take an image tag and put it in the group. We will make it fixed width and height. So it is about 200, and height is also 200. So now we will upload an image. So it's the file picture. Now we can also change its border. We can also make it 12 to look better, and add. Then we will take another group, text box, and we will make the now we will write any text here. We will write just like I am Ali. Custom. So then we can also change its for now it is good. So then we will take another group and just text section. So and we will make it height 3 and it width to content. So then we will make it direction. No, 3 column. So now we will take 2 text and we will place in this group. We'll make it 3. Then we will have another text and it is placed under this text, and we will make from this. So here is our card. It is very basic card. So you can change its font and colors and style, which whatever you want. So for now it's good. So after that we will give IDs to all of these groups. For that you have to enable the ID option. You will go to the setting, and at the end of the settings page, as you can see at the end of the second page, there is an option, expose the option to add an ID attribute to HTML element. You have to check the box. So after checking the box, we will go to the bubble page again, and when we click it at the end, here comes an ID attribute option. So we will give it an attribute. So we can give it card bound. So, and as it is, we can also give, because we have to make a bouncy effect animation to that video, we will also give it So it is image bounce, and to the text we will give text bounce. So now it is right. So after this we will also make this text is not collapsed when hidden, and this text is not visible on page load. So now we will apply some hover effects. So I will say that when the card is actually hovered, so when group A is card, when group A is hovered, it will make the width of the image to, let's say, 100 pixel, height of the image also to 100 pixel, and alignment, horizontal alignment to the left side. So now it is correct. We can also do this in custom CSS, but we'll use only the animation options in the custom CSS. So same goes for the text. Here we will add when group A is hovered. This element is as simple as that. So now we will use the custom CSS. So for the custom CSS, we can use HTML element. So when we scroll down a bit, here it comes the HTML element. I have already placed it on the bubble page. So as you can see, here is the HTML element. I made its width and height to 1 and 1, so it will not appear on the bubble page. You can also place it anywhere. So here in the box you can add styling. You can also add HTML elements. You can also write JavaScript code in this. But for right now, we only need animation, so we will write some CSS. So we have opened the text editor, and you have to write add style tags before adding any custom CSS. So here you can see this is simple CSS. So I have already written it. So it is card bounce. This is the card bounce. We have given ID to our card. So it is card bounce hash and hover, which means when card is hovered, you have to make an animation to the image bounce. Image bounce is the image in the cards. So when card is hovered, you have to make an animation in the image. It is the animation is bounce, named bounce, and it is for 0.6 seconds. And same goes for the description bounce. So I have named it now as text bounce. So I will text bounce. So the animation is also for it. And here is the animation at the rate key from at 0 and 100% we will scale it 1.1, and at 50% it is 1, so it can give a bouncy effect. At 0% it will goes 1.1, then at 50% will again comes to 1, scale 1, and then it also gone for at 100% it will go for 1.1 per scale. So now we can save it and we will see how it will work. So we just preview it, and after load we will just hover the card, and now you can see here is the animation. So you can see the bouncy effect. When we hover the card, it will show the text, and the size of the image with the bouncy effect is also appeared. So this is the second video. So for the to change the group background, you can also change it here in the same without using any custom CSS. So you can see when group A is hovered, uh, background style. Background style flat color, and background color to white color. So now it is, we will make its opacity to 50%, and scroll down. Here is an option, select a property to define a new transition. So we have made we want to make a transition to background style. We will just write it. We will make it easy out and make it to 300 milliseconds. So they are the milliseconds as we also see. So now if we just load the bubble page again, and if we hover, you can see its color also is also changing. Here our video ends. So if you have any query, you can just comment me below, or you can also give me suggestions for the next video.